Okay, in this video, we're going to turn this cube into a stool. So I'm going to select my camera, press X to delete, select the light, press X to delete, click on our cube here, and in the X viewport, move it up, so GZ, so it's kind of like sitting on the floor. And then we're going to scale it on the Z axis, SZ, scale it down. We're going to move it up a bit, GZ again, so it's about there. And we're just going to make some copies here. So Shift D, we'll make a copy and right click to make sure that it cancels the move command. Okay, we're going to go on the Z axis and on our wireframe so we can see what we're doing. And S for scale, scale it down. This is going to be their legs. Just move it over here to the side, G. And we're going to scale this upward, SZ, so scale it. So the SZ, scale it. Like about there. I'm going to click on a Y axis, then just move this down G and make sure that it is intersecting with the table here. If it goes above the table, just click on the table and move the table up, GZ, so it covers it up. Then select our leg, okay? Go back into our Z axis in the top viewport here, and just make copies. So Shift D, another Shift D, another Shift D. Then in shaded view, we have our stool made from a cube.